Oh, wow. This place looks amazing. I am so hungry.
It's lovely to see you.
You too, Mark. I can't wait to try everything. I am so hungry tonight.
Good evening, ma'am. Here is our menu.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited to see it.
Take your time. I will come back to take your order.
Thank you. Let me see. The grilled chicken looks amazing. Oh, and the mushroom soup sounds delicious too. But what about dessert?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the mushroom soup and grilled chicken, please.
Excellent choice.
Let me check my phone while I wait.
Here is your grilled chicken, ma'am.
Thank you, Tom. It looks delicious.
Oh my goodness, this soup smells incredible. This is absolutely delicious. Excuse me. Could I have the bill, please? Thank you so much, Tom. I will definitely come back again.
Thank you, Olivia.
Have a wonderful evening.